at UFO meetings in small communities that I would attend just to be an observer and also to participate in discussions at some level. And I was hearing reports of people talking about meeting, instead of the small gray aliens or a humanoid being, something like a Nordic type, they were discussing meeting something that was very impressive. They were describing a tall reptilian humanoid being that was extremely muscular and intelligent and appeared to be directing the small grays. And the more and more of these reports I heard, I started looking into the potential for there being a reality to them and a pattern being seen here and emerging for the first time. And I started looking into the sciences of the potentials of extraterrestrial life being a product of Earth evolution by researching some of the most well-known paleontologists of our time and seeing what they thought were the potentials for the evolving of the human form within the reptilian lineage of our own planet. And these beings are the ones that I've been discussing with you for a number of years now, and as you have witnessed yourself through interviewing various guests, it's a tidal wave at this point of activity happening where really the grays are kind of taking the background of the entire UFO contact picture, and it's turning out more and more of these reptilian humanoids are being seen. So it's a fantastic study, and I think everybody else who has ever heard about it has enjoyed traveling along with us during our exploration as well.
When I heard people like David Icke talking about reptilians, I thought, oh, come on. And then, of course, as you know, he tied them into certain families on this planet. Might not be too far-fetched after all, John, huh?
Well, everything comes down to a matter of genetics when we're talking about biology on our planet. And as we've seen, and more and more, genetics is something that can be manipulated and customized. And you can put data into genetics. It wasn't a number of years ago I saw an article in the paper where the Central Intelligence Agency had figured out a way to actually put code into a person's genetics, and it would replicate through their body. So on another location, only a drop of their blood would be needed to be able to decode the information inside his genetic makeup. So we have gotten far, far, far into the field of genetics research, and